Hey guys, so I'm back and I have just finished putting the letters on the words on my plate. So as you can see, I have love, I have hugs, I have sweet, because at Valentine's we should be sweet. Kisses, at Valentine's we should be getting a lot of kisses. Cupid, and Be Mine. So these are my 6 plate settings that I'm going to do at my dining room table. I do have some other ideas to go along with when I complete my dining room table. That'll be another video, but for right now I just wanted to give these videos to you, showing you how I created the look, and so far here we have it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you feel inspired to make you some plate settings with some cute words on them for Valentine's, and just spruce up your home. All right, guys, have a great evening. Bye-bye.